So I just finished replacing the fan clutch in my '99 4runner. Honestly, pretty simple. I was more intimidated than I should have been, but I just finished up and I wanted to make a quick video to help those out there because there's no other ones that I could find. But basically all you have to do is you take off this bottom shield that goes on the bottom side, and there's just 4 bolts. There's like one here, oh no, back there, and then up here. That's super easy. You just need an extension. They're like maybe a 13 or a 14. And then the next thing you got to do is you need to drain about 1 gallon of coolant out of your radiator, and the plug is right here on the bottom of your radiator, and then drain it out of there and then plug it. And then after that, you just got to take your radiator hose off. I haven't finished buttoning it back up yet, and then just put it off the side or something. And then you got to take off your fan shroud, which is 4 bolts. There's one right here, down there. Same thing on the other side. There's one right here and one down there. And then you don't pull it out because you can't really with the fan in there, but really you just kind of push it off to the side. And then from there you can get to the front of the fan, and there's like four bolts in the front. They're actually nuts. You pull the 4 nuts off, and then you can pull the fan out, set it off to the side, and then you can get to these bolts right here. It's super dark, but there's 4 on the front here of the old fan clutch, and then you pull that out, and then when you put it in, you'll have your new, we'll pretend this is the new fan clutch. And really what you do is you take your old fan with your new fan clutch. This is the old one, but I'm just showing this because I already did it in the car. But set your fan right on your new fan clutch and then just bolt it up out of the car so you're not screwing with, and then put it in as one piece. So then all you got to do is you got to move the fan shroud, kind of wiggle it in there. And then since you already have it all set up, all you got to do is these 4 bolts, and then the fan clutch slides right on, and then you tighten those 4 nuts, and then from there all you got to do is reassemble. You put your fan shroud back on with these 4 bolts that you had laying off to the side, and then you can put your upper radiator hose back on. Don't forget to tighten it up. And then you can put your coolant back in your engine, and then you put your pan back on the bottom, and really that's it. Super simple. I should have taken pictures or videos as I want, but I figured it's pretty self-explanatory. So there you go.